What's up, guys? Out here gonna try to tree some bear this evening. First time out of the year. Old Ruger, Goose. We got a new member. You can see her in there or not. Oh, Maddie. What you doing, Maddie? What you doing, huh? Gonna see if we can't get Bear to show her first one. Just got her today. I know probably supposed to wait, but I figured I'd bring her along for the ride. If we tree run, I'll walk her to the tree. But I'll get back with y'all if we get one going. Let the old dogs out here use the bathroom before we take off. We'll see if we can't find one here. A couple minutes. Old Maddie. I know she ain't big enough yet, but I put a little collar on her just for looks for right now. Huh, Goose. But yeah, we'll see if we can't get one rigged up here and get one moving. I got him. I think I picked the steepest part of the mountain to walk up. There you go. I'll holler at you whenever we get to the tree.